Hey guys, good morning. TA here. Good morning, Tony here. I did want to update you guys on GameStop. I did actually sell my GameStop position. I took like a $2,300 profit on this, and I do think that GameStop is going all the way back down to 150. I'll drop the TA sometime today, but I actually did the TA on GameStop like a week ago or like a couple of days ago, and sold my position. I do think it's going down to 150 bucks. I will buy back only at 150, or if we go, I'll probably split half my position. So if I'm gonna invest another 10k, I'm probably gonna buy 5k at 150 and another 5k at 100, depending on where we are at that 150 range. How much we drop and depending if we're still bearish at 150. But yeah, I did sell my full position. I made about $2,300, and I'm just gonna be not holding, but I'm just gonna be waiting till GameStop hits 150 because that's where I think that GameStop is actually gonna drop to in the next week or two. But I don't have a time frame. I just do think that GameStop is going back to 150. That's it.